For the second question, it is asking us to sketch each graph, each quadratic function using transformation, identify the vertex, the x-axis, x of symmetry, the range, the domain, the minimum value, and the y-intercept. Okay, perfect. So we can say, or we can write for the equation, this one, our a is equal to 1. No, it's equal to 2. Our p is minus 1. Our q is minus 8. So to sketch the graph, fx, y is equal to x plus 1, everything squared minus 8. We need to transform the original one, which is y is equal to x squared, by multiplying all y value by 2, okay, and translating it to the right, to the left side, because it's positive, so it should be left side. We will translate it 1 unit to the left side and 8 unit downward. Perfect. The vertex are like, the vertex is p and q, so we have minus 1 and minus 8. This is the vertex. The x symmetry is, the symmetry axis will be x is equal to our p, which is minus 1. Let me draw a simple example here. So this is my x. No, this is not good. So this is my x and this is my y. So we are talking about the x symmetry at minus 1. So I will go minus 1. This is minus 1. So this is my symmetry axis. Okay, so my function will be symmetric around this. So what we will draw it correctly. So the vertex is in minus 1. We have the vertex minus 1, minus 8, which will be minus 1 is here, and oh no, minus 1 is here. We should just go minus 8. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my 8. So this is my vertex point. Okay, so this is my v. For the x-intercept and y-intercept, we just need to solve this equation. Let me remove this. So we got this. So for the x-intercept, you need to solve this is equal to 0. So whatever we will do, so 2 times x minus 1 square minus 8 is equal to 0. This means that 2 times x minus 1 square minus 4 is equal to 0. And because 2 never equals 0, so we will remove that. That means x minus 1 square minus 2 square is equal to 0. This is same as x minus 1. This is a square minus b square, which is a minus b times a plus b. We just, this is our a, this is our b, so this is our a, this is our b. So which will give us x minus 1 minus 2 times x minus 1 plus 2. This is x minus 3 times x plus 1. So the x-axis, this is equal to 0. So the x-intercepts are x equal 3 and x is equal to minus 1. This is the x-intercept. So we will go to our graph. So x is equal to minus 3 is x is equal to, no, this is plus. Yeah. So we will go to our graph and draw our x is equal to minus 3, so this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so this is minus 3, and x is equal to 1. This is 0, this is 1. So we have these two intercepts. So my graph will go like this. For the y-intercept, the y-intercept is how we will find our intercept. We just give this a value of 0. So 2 times 0 plus 1, which is 3. So we have 2 times 1 minus 8, which is minus 6. So the y-intercept should be minus 6. So my graph should touch the y-axis in minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, oh no. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and 6. So my graph should touch this. So it will go this, and the formula 1, same thing there. So same thing for B, you do the same thing. For B, you have 0.5, that's mean your minus 0.5, that means your graph will be looking downward. The graph will be looking downward, and it will be enlarged, not like smaller. It will be enlarged, and we have vertical. We have horizontal shift to the right, two unit to the right, and we have 2 unit to the top. So the vertex will be 2, 2. So you come to your graph and 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the vertex. This is where your parabola will change the direction. So this is 2, 2. Okay, good. So the only thing, the y-intercept, the x-intercept, same thing, you solve this equal to 0, and one of them is 0, then the other one is 4. Okay, good.